Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, so I launched a quiz this morning that was in your class stream. It's 5 questions. It will wrap up chapter 8. It has situations, graphs, equations, all that good stuff. On your left side of the screen there is the problem of the day for yesterday. It might be a good one to look at for one of your quiz questions. The question said you start with a new car at $27,500. It depreciates, goes down in value by 6%. So what we do there is we subtract 0.06 from 1 and we get the 0.94 my multiplier. It was for 5 years. So the correct answer on that one was $20,182.36. Again, on the right side here, like I talked about a second ago, quiz today. Be careful. Sometimes what you think is correct by first looking at it may or may not be correct. So take your time and good luck and have a great Wednesday.